In this video, I'm going to show you the different ways you can transfer money from Chime Bank to Cash App and from Cash App to Chime. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. To start, open your Cash App and tap on your balance or the home icon in the bottom left corner. From here, tap on Linked Accounts and then select Link Debit Card. Afterward, choose the No Card option. Wait for it to load and click on Continue. In the search bar, look for Chime and select the option. Provide your Chime email address and password, enabling the link between Chime and Cash App. Once linked, you'll find the Cash Out option on your Cash App and tap on the Add Cash button. Enter the amount you want to send from Chime to Cash App and then tap on the Add button at the bottom. You will see that $10 has been added to your Cash App from Chime account. This completes the process of transferring money from Chime to Cash App. Now, what are some ways that you can transfer money from Cash App to Chime? To start, open your Cash App and go to your profile by clicking on the top right-hand corner. Scroll down to find the Link Banks option. Click on it and then select Link Debit Card. Afterward, choose the No Card option. Wait for it to load and click on Continue. In the search bar, look for Chime and select the option. Provide your Chime email address and password, enabling the link between Chime and Cash App. Once linked, you'll find the Cash Out option on your Cash App. To transfer money, click on Cash Out on Cash App. Once you have chosen an amount to send, click Cash Out here. Cash App will provide two options on how to send the money. We are going to select the standard option, which will send the money within 1 to 3 business days. You will see exactly what the estimated time of delivery will be for those funds if you choose standard. Standard is the way of transferring it to your bank account without using your debit card. So this time, instead of using the standard transfer, I'm going to go ahead and use the debit card by clicking the instant option right here. And there you have it. And that's how you transfer money between Cash App and the Chime Money app. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.